In this demo, you'll learn how to add a ServiceNow destination and trigger a notification from the workflow. Destinations are the data outputs that will receive streamlined, correlated, enhanced incidents after they've processed in New Relic AI. Destinations are used to send the relevant data to the relevant person or team. In this demo, we will be creating a ServiceNow destination via workflows that will sync incident intelligence issues with ServiceNow incidents. In order to add the ServiceNow destination, go to the destination page and click on ServiceNow. As a high-level overview, in order to add the destination, you'll need a unique destination name, a ServiceNow domain name, your username with required roles, and your password. To implement two-way integration, you'll also need to proceed by downloading an XML file and importing it into your ServiceNow account. Two-way integration allows for issue updates to be reflected in the ServiceNow incident. For example, if I close an issue in ServiceNow, it will automatically close the corresponding issue in New Relic. However, if the on-screen instructions aren't completed fully, your destination will only go one way from incident intelligence to update ServiceNow. You can test the connection to see that destination fields are defined correctly. Once the on-screen steps are completed, proceed to the Workflow module under Enrich and Notify, which can be found on the left navigation menu in New Relic Applied Intelligence. With workflows, you control when and where you want to receive notifications about issues, tunnel the right information to the relevant person or team, and enrich your issues notifications with additional New Relic data. Start by clicking Add a Workflow on the right-hand corner. Now give your workflow a meaningful title. Next, filter out what issues you would like to notify. In this example, I'll set the priority to critical so that I only receive critical issues. In addition, you have the option to add enrichments. Enrichments can give additional context on alert notifications by adding NRQL query results to them. In this example, I'll add a basic query to get the average CPU utilization. For more information on enrichments, please refer to our Documents page. The final addition is the Notify section, where you can find your pre-configured destination. In this example, we'll choose ServiceNow. It should be noted that you can also create a new destination from here. Once you select your destination, you will see a pre-populated template with suggested attributes. This can be custom to your needs. All your incident table columns, including customized ones, are retrieved and can be applied. Once you customize your notification message, you can send a test notification with an example template. This will create an incident in ServiceNow. If you click on the Success Notification link, it will redirect you to ServiceNow, where you can see your incident test notification. Now go back to New Relic and simply click Update Message. You can test the entire workflow, which will look for a real issue that matches your condition and the information on all defined notifier destinations. Once finished setting up the workflow, simply click Activate Workflow. Congratulations, you've set up your ServiceNow destination and created a workflow. For further tutorials on destinations or workflows, visit our documentation page under New Relic Applied Intelligence. Thank you.